back to the Frugal Homestead. Today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade scent diffuser. It's very easy and very cost effective. Now we all want our houses to smell nice, whether it be to get out some of those cooking odors or whatever you may have in your home. There's lots of different products on the market to use, and some of them can get quite expensive. A lot of people use candles, but you got to worry about whether or not they're going to get turned over. There's wax melts. These things can get pretty expensive depending on where you're buying them from. Aerosol cans. Those we really try not to use anymore. Some people use fresh flowers. You know, these aren't always in season. There's also incense, things of that nature. But I am going to show you a very cost-effective way to make this homemade scent diffuser. All you're going to need is this jar, any size jar, decorated how you want. I sometimes, as you see, you can put charms on mine. For this particular one, I'm just going to use 2 hair ties, slip it over the top, just like that, and just cross it so that it looks pretty. But you can decorate however you want. I suggest decorating it before you make your diffuser. These are diffuser sticks that Tony bought on Amazon for less than $5. Now there will be a link in the description below, so if you are interested in these, check these out because very cost effective. Now I'm going to tell you what my secret ingredient is that I use. I use pine sol. Now pine sol comes in several different scents these days. These are 2 of my favorites. Tony really likes the lemon, and I really like the regular original pine sol scent. All you're going to do is take your pine sol and pour it about 1/3 full in the jar. Just like that. There you go. Now it's really important to tell you that you don't have to use pine sol. You can use whatever cleaner that you actually like. Maybe the orange cleaner for that citrusy smell or something along that lines. This just happens to be something that we keep in our home on a regular basis, so it's really easy for me just to make a new diffuser. Now you're going to take about 6 of these sticks. That's about how many I put in. It seems to work really well for me. And all you're going to do is you are going to put them down in, let them soak up some of the pine sol or cleaner, and then flip it over. Now every day, whatever room I have my diffuser in, I will just simply flip these sticks until all of my cleaner is gone, and then I just rinse out the bottom of the jar and restart a new one. Just as simple as that. Now, these are kind of long for my jar, so you can also just take a pair of scissors and you can trim them down to the length that you want them that'll fit better for your jar. But I leave mine long because if I decide to change to, say, the lemon scent on the next time around, then I can just trim off the ends of these, still use the sticks, and they still work well for the next scent. This actually works best in smaller spaces such as a bathroom where you get some of your stronger odors, but it also works well in the bedroom, especially if you close the doors. That being said, go down in the comments if you give it a try and let me know how you liked it, and I will see you in the next one.